Today we're traveling from San Sebastian to Pamplona. This is towards the end of our trip here in Spain. We should be arriving in about an hour. Should take us. The trip from San Sebastian to Pamplona is about an hour and 40 minutes or so. So we are in the car. It's a little gloomy today. It's gray, but the mountains have like a mist. This interesting look on the mountains. Earlier when we passed through some very big mountains, it was very misty and gloomy and interesting looking. This is the capstone on our trip before we go home, which is going to be in like 5 days. So kind of sad to be going home, but also kind of happy to be going home. It's been a while. 3 weeks is a long time to be away. So we're looking forward to being back home, but also looking forward to the running of the bulls, because I've never been to an event like this. It's one of those things I think you should do before you die. I believe I'd like to see the running of the bulls before it's all put to an end. I'm sure at some point it's going to come to an end, because they're phasing out this kind of activities all throughout Europe. I won't be running with the bulls. Pam will not be running with the bulls.
No, I definitely won't be running with
but we'll see the festivities, and I'll record whatever interesting things I see. A lot of young people like to go out there and run and show their brevity and, you know, stupidity and all that stuff. So we'll see.
Al Fresco Cafe on the main street in Pamplona. We're here for the Run of the Bulls, which starts in a couple of days. We have a couple of days to just, hang out, get to know the city. So that's what we're doing. We walked around a bit today. For me, this is a bucket list thing. Seeing the bulls, the running of the bulls in Pamplona is a bucket list thing. It's been on my bucket list since I was, I don't know, a young teenager. And there's all kind of Hemingway stuff around here. That's why I wanted to see it, because I read Hemingway's The Sun Also Rises, where he talks about the running of the bulls in Pamplona. And ever since then, I thought, someday I'm going to go to Pamplona for the running of the bulls. That's so exciting and romantic and cultural and all that. And it's all here, which is really exciting. And they have all this Hemingway stuff. Oscar took a picture of me with the Hemingway statue, and they have Hemingway Boulevard, and they have a Hemingway Cafe. There's a lot of homage being paid to Hemingway. I guess his books kind of put the running of the bulls on the world map. So it's exciting. I'm looking forward to it. It should be something really unusual and spectacular to see. And we're going to go to a bullfight too. Happily, we have tickets for the shady side of the bull ring, which they say is important. So.
Yeah. Where we sitting doing the bullfight?
We have a couple of. We're going to be on the. Wait, for the bullfight or the bull run?
The bull run, sorry.
The bull runs were on a couple of premier balconies for the bull run.
On one of these balconies up here?
I think so, one of the larger balconies. Mm-hmm. But we have to get there really early. We have to get there before 6:30 a.m. Mm-hmm. One day it's before 6:30 a.m. and one day it's before, I think, 10:30 a.m.
So this is the street where the bulls run, actually where we're sitting. We are outside one of the restaurants. Don't know what the name is. You can see it on the wall.
It's Viva San Fermín Ambar. Ambar, I think it's called.
I don't think that's it.
Ambar.
The sign on the wall is different. But anyway, the bulls run through here, up that way. And when you turn that corner there on the left is the stadium, the bull pen or the bull whatever. It's a circular stadium where they go in. But this is the path. As we said, it is July 4th, 2022, and we find ourselves in the vibrant city of Pamplona, known for its iconic event, the running of the bulls. The atmosphere in the city is filled with excitement and anticipation as locals and tourists alike eagerly prepare for the festivities that lie ahead. Pamplona is bustling with energy, with preparations underway
for not only the exhilarating bull runs, but also a series of music festivals and the commencement of the renowned San Fermín celebration. Indeed, after a 3-year hiatus due to the devastating impact of the coronavirus pandemic, the return of the festival in Pamplona carries an even greater significance. The cancellation of the event in 2019 through 2021 left a void in the hearts of both the locals and the visitors who eagerly awaited this annual tradition. Now, in 2022, there is a palpable sense of pent-up energy and enthusiasm as the city gears up to reclaim the spirit of San Fermín. The prolonged absence of the festival has created a deep longing for the vibrant celebrations that define Pamplona's summer. The anticipation and excitement among the people are heightened as they yearn to immerse themselves once again in the exuberance and thrill of the running of the bulls.
Walking down the bull path to where they release the bulls. This is the path that the bulls take when the bulls are released. There's a lot of businesses around this path. There's churches. They say the run is 2 minutes. This is not a 2-minute run.
Say 8 minutes.
Okay, well the guy said
He was that was hyperbole. He didn't mean it was 2 minutes. He meant it seems to happen really quickly because they're running. But
yeah.
But I read that it's 8 minutes.
Whatever it is, I wouldn't do it.
The course for the running of the bulls is 826 meters long. The run usually lasts between 2 and 6 minutes, depending on whether the bulls get separated. The resumption of the festival serves as a symbol of resilience and a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure and bounce back in the face of adversity.
So that's the pen there. You can see it much better from this angle. They are kept in there before they are released. That's blocked off. This is blocked off. And all the entrances to all these other businesses are all blocked off at the time when they just run up that way. And as you can hear, the parties have already begun somewhere.
Indeed.
Everybody's partying, drinking,
Yes, baby.
and doing all sorts of things. So here you have it.
That part I feel bad for Emerson. He could go out and find himself quite the party here.
The streets are buzzing with activity, with locals and visitors alike eagerly participating in the preparations. There is an electric atmosphere as people come together to restore the grandeur of the festival. The music festivals, street performances, and cultural events planned for San Fermín are designed to uplift the spirits of all who have longed for this moment. The rekindling of the festival also signifies a step towards normalcy and the revival of the local economy. Businesses, which have faced significant challenges during the pandemic, are looking forward to a surge in tourism and the economic benefits that accompany the return of the festival. As the sun rises on the first day of San Fermín, the city will witness an outpouring of joy, relief, and celebration. The collective energy of the people will be unleashed as the sound of hooves pounding against the cobblestone streets reverberates through the air. It will be a moment of triumph, reminding everyone of the power of community, tradition, and the resilience of the human spirit.
So this is Cafe Aruna, and it was Hemingway's hangout here in Pamplona. And when he lived here, which I don't have the dates on that yet, but it also was used as the backdrop, the setting for a lot of the scenes in The Sun Also Rises, which first Hemingway book I ever read, favorite Hemingway book I ever read. That's where my love affair with Hemingway started. And so I'm really excited to be here at Cafe Aruna. We're going to have dinner here tonight, so exciting.
She looked like a man.
Café Iruna is a significant location in Pamplona with a connection to Ernest Hemingway. Hemingway frequented Café Iruna during his visits to Pamplona for the festival of San Fermín, which he later wrote about in his novel The Sun Also Rises, also known as Fiesta. Café Iruna is a historic establishment located in the heart of Pamplona. It has been serving locals and visitors since 1888 and has maintained its classic charm over the years. The cafe's elegant interior and outdoor terrace have attracted many people, including Hemingway, who found inspiration and a sense of camaraderie there. As one of Pamplona's iconic landmarks, Café Iruna is often associated with Hemingway's time in the city. It has become a place of interest for literature enthusiasts and fans of Hemingway who visit Pamplona. Visitors can enjoy a drink or a meal while immersing themselves in the ambiance and history of the cafe. The return of the festival after the pandemic-induced hiatus marks a significant chapter in Pamplona's history. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of San Fermín and serves as a reminder of the ability of festivals and celebrations to bring people together, fostering a sense of unity, joy, and hope for the future. The city's inhabitants are bustling about, making sure everything is in place for the grand opening of San Fermín. Local businesses are busy stocking up on supplies and merchandise, ready to cater to the influx of visitors who will be arriving in the days to come. Restaurants and bars are polishing their menus, preparing to offer a taste of the region's culinary delights to both locals and tourists. The city of Pamplona is primed to welcome all those who seek adventure, cultural richness, and an immersion into the essence of Spanish tradition. As the festival unfolds, the streets will come alive with the vibrant spirit of San Fermín, weaving an unforgettable tapestry of music, celebration, and the timeless excitement of the running of the bulls.